What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. And yes, in today's video I will be doing the 24 hours challenge where I will be only having Korean food for 24 hours. That is like for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I got ready because I will be going to a Korean restaurant and have my breakfast there, and for my lunch and dinner I will visit a Korean mart and buy some stuff there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Guys, I'm finally back. Yeah, the food was really good. The restaurant was really a bit like Korean old restaurant aesthetic kind of movies you see from old restaurants. That aesthetic, it was that. It was really comforting. And yeah, for breakfast I had ox bone soup. It was really warm and nice. Yeah, and I bought some stuff for lunch and dinner. I'll show you guys when lunch and dinner comes. I bought this. It's an ice cream. It's very popular in Korea. I see this a lot in K-dramas, you know. Yes, I wanted to try. It's Yakult. So I think it's like yogurt Yakult kind of ice cream. So yeah, it's like this. You have to. You have to peel this. It's a bit melted. It tastes like Yakult. Yeah, I'll just have this and then I'll see you guys during lunch. Yes, for lunch I'll be having this cup noodles. This is very famous. I've seen this in a lot of K-dramas. Yeah, this cup noodles is really famous. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. And yeah, I'll be having it with kimchi. mix it well. Let's sit for another few seconds. Let me just keep this aside and try this kimchi. So big. The pieces are really big. Let me just shred it. Oh god. Mm. Mm. What the? The pieces are too big. It's really good, guys. It's not sweet. It's not that sour. It's the perfect. I like the taste of the ginger and garlic. It's really strong. Let me do that. It's really popular in K-drama, I know. This way, the noodles will cool down. Okay, it tastes like YY. If you have tried YY, it tastes exactly like that, and even the texture of the noodles is same, exactly like YY. Okay, I was expecting a lot, but if you have tried YY, then just imagine you have tried these noodles. I think I'll call my friend and let him try too. Okay guys, my friend is here and I'll let him try this, and yeah, I told you guys what it tastes like, and yeah, I'll ask him how it tastes like so that you guys can get a confirmation. Okay, now tell me, what does it taste like? Familiar, the taste is familiar, right?
Mr. Noodles.
Mr. Noodles for you. I think it's more YY.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
why?
See. See,
No, no, no.
it's exactly like YY.
YY is actually better.
YY is actually better. So yeah, guys, if you are obsessed with this, if you want to try this, and you're like, oh my god, I see this a lot in K-drama and all. If you had YY, then that means you had this. YY is much better, to be honest. Don't waste your money. It's really good. If you guys want to know where I bought this, if you're from Bangalore, I'll put the location here. Yeah, do visit. It's really good. Yeah, the kimchi is really good. I've tried different kimchis. Some were very sweet, some were very sour. That's why I never liked kimchi that much, but this kimchi is really good. It's not that sweet, it's not that sour, and it has a lot of ginger and garlic, so I really like the taste. Yeah, oh shit. Anyways, I'll see you guys during dinner. Dinner is a bit interesting, so yeah, watch till the end. What's up guys, it's dinner time, and yes, for dinner I will be having this canned tuna. It's hot pepper tuna. So yeah, I'll mix this in rice and then yeah, have it with seaweed and then kimchi. I'll wrap the tuna rice in seaweed and then have it with kimchi. I'm really excited to try this combo. Guys, it smells so good. Yes, guys, I got a bit of rice and then I'm gonna mix this tuna. It's also good. Yeah. And then I think I'll add, there's a bit of kimchi juice here, so I'll add that. First, I'll take a seaweed and then put the rice here. Add one kimchi. Yes, this ocean. Mmm. It's really good, guys. Anyways, I love tuna. It's spicy. It's spicy flavored, so yeah, it's much better. Tuna is very similar to tin fish if you're from Nagaland, maybe, yeah. In Nagaland, yeah, it tastes like tin fish. This and rice, it tastes really good. Guys, if you have never tried seaweed, you should try. At first, you might not like it, but yeah, don't have it on its own. The flavor is a bit too overwhelming at first, but you try to have it with rice or with your noodles and all. Yeah, once you get used to it, it's really good. It really goes well with rice. Yeah, that's it for today. And yeah, if you guys want to see more of this kind of video, me trying like different cuisines and all, yeah, comment down below what kind of food I should have next time. And yeah, please do like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.